Okay, so welcome to the another video tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to see how we can host static website on the cyber panel. Okay, so first thing first, you should have the cyber panel ready. If you don't have it, you need to install it, and you can go ahead and install it. In my case, I'm using DigitalOcean to create this server. This is my server, and in which I have installed the cyber panel already, and as you can see, I am accessing cyber panel right here. These are the prerequisites for this particular video. If you haven't done it, no worries, go back to my another video in this particular series and you will get installation video. You can follow that video. If you are ready to do it, let's go ahead and let's start it. Okay, let's click on the websites. Hence we are going to host a website, and click on the create website. It will give us little bit form here where we can add the details and create the website. But first thing first, we need to make sure our domain is ready. Okay, so the domain I'm going to use is 1yt.in. I will use this for particular testing. Let's open another tab and let's open the Cloudflare, because so I'm using Cloudflare as my DNS. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's check. So by default, if I go here, I know this is not a Cloudflare video, but I will just give a little bit example of what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to add the ANM record for that particular server, so that domain will be pointed to that server, so that if I create a website, it will show the IP address of that particular server. Let's go ahead and let's click on the domain name here. Let's go to the DNS and let's update the records. Okay, so there are two records as of now available. Let me delete the record here because it's not needed. In your case, it might be possible that you are using different DNS, then the everything looks and everything will be different, but the feeling is same. Obviously, you just need to add the ANM record. Let's go ahead here and let's copy IP address of this server from here, or you can copy from DigitalOcean also if you are using DigitalOcean. Let's paste it right here and let's click the proxy on. This is not a Cloudflare video, so I'm not going to explain what is a proxy. Let's save it here. Basically, it will point our domain to that particular IP address. Okay, let's close this particular thing and let's go ahead and click here and create the website. Select the package which is by default admin, and let's say type the domain called 1yt.in. Then there is an email, let's say infotest.com or info1yt.in. If you want to create a website for production, please use real email address here, because on this email address you will get alerts about the SSL, website errors, and etc. So in my case, I'm just doing the demo, that's why I'm not going to do anything. Then there is a PHP version available. So here, as of now, I'm hosting the static website, so PHP version doesn't matter. But if you are hosting the WordPress website, Laravel website, or something like that, then definitely select the right PHP version accordingly. So I'm just going to stick with the latest version because it doesn't matter. Then there is a SSL check. SSL, it will get SSL for your domain. Then there are DKIM support. So suppose if you want to create mail domain, in order to create self-hosted email service, then only select that. Hence we are going to do the static website installation only. There is no need to do it. Then there is open based AR protection, just we need to add that. And there is a create mail domain, we don't need it. So let's go ahead and let's click on the create. So that should not take too much time, and as you can see, it is already setting up the SSL, and once the SSL is set up, we should be ready to go. Okay, so as you can see, it is showing that the website has successfully created. Let's go back, or we can go directly to dashboard. So let's go back, and these are the again details are shown here. Let's go to the dashboard and let's go to the websites, then list website, and then there is a website. So this is my website that I have created, 1yt.in. I can click on the manage to manage the website, but by default, when we create a website on the cyber panel, it will add a one index page by default in the website. That means if you directly access the website in the browser, it will show some default page. So let's go ahead and access it, and as you can see, it is showing the cyber panel is installed and the website is ready. So this is how it can be done. And here, as you can see, it is showing the secure connection. That means it is fetching the SSL also, because we check the SSL on the creation of the website. Okay, let's go ahead and let's explore. Let's say you don't want default page, you want your own website. So in that case, what you can do is you can go ahead and in the website manage, you can see the lot of options available here. Let's click the file manager because we are going to change the website file. In the public HTML, this is the public HTML folder, that click or double click on that, and these are the website files. By default, this is the Nginx page. So if you want to just make sure that exactly that page is there, what you can do is just click on the edit with CodeMirror or just edit. I will choose CodeMirror because it's quite easy and less messy. So as you can see, you have successfully installed CyberPanel is there. If you go to the website, it's showing you have successfully installed CyberPanel. Great. So let's do one thing. Let's add some 8888 number here so that we will be cross verifying if this same page is there. Let's say go ahead, refresh. It is showing 888. Congratulations, that's the exact same page. Go back, close this particular editor, and here you can delete this particular index file if you want to host your own website. Let's confirm here. Okay, so right now for testing I have created one sample for the static website. So let's go ahead and let's access my GitHub where the sample was created. So this is my GitHub, and on GitHub, as you can see, there is a static web sample is available. So what you can do is you can just open this particular link I will provide in the description. Go ahead, click on the download zip, and once the zip is downloaded, go to the file manager. There is an upload option available. Click on upload. Either you can drop the file here or you can choose. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose. Select this particular file here, click on the open and click on the upload. This will upload the file on the server. Once it is done, click on cross, extract this particular file. How to do it? Select this particular file and right click on it, and as you can see, extract option is available. Once you click on extract, it is giving the path where you want to extract. Yes, that's the exact same path I want to extract, and as you can see, it is creating another folder. We don't want that, we just want website files. Okay, so I got back, so let's go in the file manager again, public HTML. Okay, so I don't want the folder, I just want files. So let's do one thing first. Let's remove the this particular what we call zip file because it's not needed anymore. So let's refresh, click here, delete it and confirm. You can just skip the trash folder also if you want. Let's go inside this particular folder. Remember, when I'm going inside, I'm double clicking it. Okay, it's like a normal file browser. Then select all. Here's the select all option available. Then there is a move option available at the top. Click on the move option, and then there is a path. In the path, we need to remove this folder name and we need to add the files in the base path. Click on the move, go back, refresh. As you can see, all website files are there, and this empty folder is also there. If you go here, empty because we moved the files. You can right click on this one and click on delete, and it should delete, and just refresh. Right now the website files are changed, so if we refresh this particular page, it should show you the new website, the static website sample that I have created. Okay, so let's refresh and see. So it is not showing. It might be possible that the cache is there in the browser. So hit the control button and then press F5 button. That will refresh the cache on the browser, and as you can see, the new website is here. So even if you do control F5, the website is not showing up, then what you can do is you can go in the CyberPanel right here, and there is a service options available in the bottom. Okay, or you can just go to the dashboard here. I will show you the simplest way. Go to the status, go to the last service status option, and here you need to restart this open Lightweight service. Okay, and that should give you the results. Right now, as you can see, our static website is live and we are ready to go. So this is how you can host the static website on the CyberPanel. In the next video, we are going to see how we can host the WordPress website on this CyberPanel. So thanks for watching this particular video, and until then, see you.